Good morning, everybody. When we last left our professors, we had some fruit that was on fire. So guys, didn't we just do this on Monday?
Yeah, we kind of did it on Monday, but it's a little bit different today because this is what we're going to do. We have some balloons, and one of these balloons is a non-popping balloon. In other words, we're going to see if one of them can pop and one of them cannot pop. Now, I forgot which one it is. I don't want to get close to it, so I'm going to stand back here. Miles, go ahead. Hold that over the fire. Hang on. Let me move this orange out of the way. Hold that over the fire. See if it pops or not.
Such a bad idea.
Yeah, on so many levels. No, you got to hold it really close.
No,
Yeah,
I'm not going to hold it.
Yeah, down.
Can I just
Down.
drop it on and it will work?
No, just hold it down low. See if it'll pop. It won't pop. Trust me.
I don't.
You don't. Here. Let me help you.
You do it.
Let me see. Will it pop? That one popped. I've got an idea. You want to try the other one? You want me to?
No.
Okay. Here. What? Hang on. Let me light the fire again.
There's no such thing as a fire-resistant balloon.
No such thing as a fire-resistant balloon. Okay. Watch this. Check it out. Right down on that flame, not popping. Any ideas why?
No.
No, I will tell you why. Because inside this, look, you can see it in there. They probably can't see it at home. There's a liquid in there.
Oh.
There's water inside this balloon. There wasn't water in this one. And this is what happens. That water inside just actually reaches through the plastic shell here and pulls the heat back out. It pulls the heat right in. And so the balloon will never get hot enough to explode as long as there's water down there. Now, if I tip it over on the side where the water isn't, if I were to attack it this way with the fire, then it would pop and water would go everywhere. Not a pretty picture. So that's what you have here today, a fire-resistant balloon as opposed to one that's going to pop when you get it next to fire. Pretty cool, huh?
Yes.
That's what we have for you today. Now, what was the safety thing that you told me before we started?
Well,
Fire?
the original safety thing is be safe with fire and have your parents light the fire and always have a parental person to watch you and make sure you don't hurt yourself. Other thing is, unless you're doing a science experiment and you're with people who will protect you, do not put a balloon over a fire.
No. And he said have a parental person with you. What he meant was have a mature person with you. So I'm thinking I probably wouldn't qualify, and I know Jeff wouldn't qualify. But anyway, there you go, Jeff. That's your experiment for today.
Professors, thank you so much. That was informative, unpoppable, and unbelievable. You have an unbelievable weekend, and we will see you right back here for Mad Science Monday.
I have a major fear.
We will be back on Friday for our Mad Science finale and again on Monday at 9:45 a.m. with another Mad Science experiment.
Yeah, so be sure to set your DVRs because you don't want to miss a minute of all that fun and action. And you can even try these great experiments at home with the fam.